Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to save pictures from Snapchat to gallery without them knowing. So to do that, head over to your Snapchat application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then go to your inbox and head over to any conversation. And in here you will find if any picture that was sent to you. So suppose this was the picture and you just want to save it to your camera roll without them knowing. So if you just save by tapping it at save to camera roll, there's a notification that comes you saved from camera roll. But if you just as you can see, I am doing a video or a screen record, and you can just take a screen record of that picture and then just take a snap from that screen record. So yeah, this is how you can just save any picture from Snapchat without them knowing. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.